This lockdown around the world has compelled people to look inward. Many times you hear the knowledge, it stays for some time and it just goes away. In lockdown time, you can go on the knowledge, chew the knowledge more and digest it, make it just get into your life. Huh? One is listening to the knowledge and knowing it on a superficial level. Another is living the knowledge. And this is an opportunity to live the knowledge. Not leave the knowledge, live the knowledge. Yeah. So the knowledge, simple fact, simple things, just the five principles, basic principles of water playing, opposite values, complementary. Accept people as they are, don't be football of others' opinion, not to see intention behind others' mistake, live in the present moment. These principles should just filter into our life. Yeah? And then, when you can see the dream nature of life, whatever has happened till this moment is like a dream. And what will happen in the future is also a dream. This could be a dream. When you just step back, just one step, and see the whole life as a dream, as a play, then you rise above all these complications that we live with, that which our mind has created for ourselves. And nobody can take the smile away from you. Again and again, hammer yourself with the dream nature of the world. Right? That doesn't take you away from your dynamism. You be dynamic. When you are acting 100%. But when you realize the dream nature of the world again and again, when you remind yourself, nothing can shake you. You will never get depressed. People who are getting depressed, who are getting anxiety, and all this is just because they don't realize life in this bigger picture. Dream nature of life can snap you out of anxiety, depression, all this stuff. Yeah, hatred, attachment, everything will come to an end. You find yourself fresh life, fresh spring of life rising from within you. Yeah, very good. So, what? Recollect the knowledge points, and know the dream nature of life. Remind yourself of the dream nature of life. Whenever you find life is so little dull, boring, so many of you are in isolation or in limited lockdown and all that. So sometimes you may feel gloomy, blue, all that. Just remember, whole thing is a dream. And this will pass. That will uplift your spirit immediately, no time. Yeah. That is good. Mhm. And then what? So this witnessing all that is happening, like a movie. This is one thing. Then the second upaya, the second method is sacrifice. I sacrifice. I give up my life to the divinity. I'll give up my life to this planet for seva and for I surrender my life to the divine. I'm part of the divine. I give it to the divine. And it's for the divine to run my life as it wants. And I have no say that. Let the divine run my life. However, that one. And this is the second upaya. Third possibility is you want freedom, you want liberation, you can have it right away. Moksha is in your hand. How? Drop all the desires. Whatever desire comes, when you keep dropping, you get freedom. What binds you is your desire. And when you drop the desire, then there is freedom. But don't, your mind may trick you here. It can trick you saying, oh, I want to drop all my desire. That wanting to drop desire is another desire. That desire should not. You drop it immediately, not desire for it. Just any desire, no, I'll drop it. I drop this, I drop this. Not think, oh, I want to drop all the desire one day in the future. It's not going to work. Got it? Any desire, I drop it. When you drop, what happens? Whatever has to happen to you, that will happen. Well, whatever is the right thing, that will happen to you. What is not right desire, that will just go away. This is only when you want moksha. People say, I want liberation, I want liberation. Hey, it's in one few seconds you have it. Drop all your desires, you have moksha. You are mukt. You are liberated that very moment. Yeah? Good.